Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open the Google app and sign in right away. That connects your searches, saved items, and preferences. Once signed in, grant location and notifications so results match where you are and so alerts reach you. Make sure to set your language and search preferences in Settings General. This tailors voice results and safe search filtering. These first steps let you use voice, personalized feed, and sync across devices, so you don't repeat setup later. You perform searches with the bar or tap the microphone for voice queries. Voice is faster for directions and hands-free needs. Once done, swipe the Discover feed to see tailored cards. Tap Manage to add or remove interests so the app learns what matters. Make sure to use tabs like Images or News to filter results instantly. This saves time when you need visuals or latest coverage. Also use long press on result cards to preview without leaving the app. You'll use built-in tools like Lens for visual search and Translate for foreign text. These speed tasks and reduce typing. Make sure to review settings, privacy, sync, and notifications to control data and notifications. Clearing cache often fixes sluggish behavior. If something breaks, update the app first, then restart your device. If the problem persists, reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: check app permissions. Without location,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.